Did you know that your birth date and name might reveal your true path in life? Dive into the world of numerology with us. Numerology is the ancient belief that numbers have symbolic meanings. By analyzing the numbers connected to your birth date and name, numerology can uncover insights about your personality, strengths, and even your life's purpose. Imagine your birth date as a cosmic blueprint, revealing your life path number. Each number carries unique vibrations shaping who you are and where you're headed. Your name, too, holds power, with each letter corresponding to a number that brings out your inner traits. Curious to discover what the universe has in store for you? Start your numerology journey today and unveil the hidden meanings behind your numbers. See comment section below.